In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive and delete Trello lists and cards. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks and projects, and knowing how to properly archive and delete items can help keep your boards clean and efficient. Let's dive right in and explore how to manage your Trello cards and lists effectively. First, we'll start with automated archiving cards. Archiving is a helpful feature in Trello because it removes your cards from the active board view, yet keeps them accessible in case you ever need to reference them in the future. To archive a card, simply right-click on the card you wish to archive. When you do this, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Archive. It's as straightforward as that. Once archived, the card will no longer be visible on your board. But don't worry, it's stored safely in the background, ready to be accessed when necessary. Now, moving on to archiving lists. If you want to archive an entire list, find the three dots icon, also known as the Options menu, at the top right corner of the list you want to archive. Clicking on this icon will bring up several options, and if you look at the bottom of this menu, you'll see Archive List. Click on it, and the whole list will be archived just like the individual cards. This is particularly useful for projects that are completed or phases that have ended, allowing your board to remain uncluttered. Let's discuss how to permanently delete these archived items. Deleting is a more permanent action, and once you delete an item, it cannot be retrieved. So, make sure you really want to say goodbye to those cards or lists. To do this, go to the Options menu for your Trello board by clicking on the three dots icon, typically located at the top right of the board. A drop-down menu will appear, where you should click on Archived Items. Here, you'll find a complete list of all archived cards and lists. Take a moment to review this list and decide which items you want to delete permanently. Once you've made up your mind, simply click Delete on the items you wish to remove for good. Remember, this action is irreversible, so proceed with caution. And that's all there is to it. Archiving and deleting cards and lists in Trello is a simple yet powerful way to ensure your workspace remains organized and efficient. With these steps, you can easily manage what appears on your board and keep everything tidy. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you in managing your Trello boards with ease.